Hi, this is Blake with Eagle Woodworking, and today we're going to go over how to fill out our online quote request form. So in step one, you'll select whether you want to quote or an order. Then you'll enter all of your customer information, including any job-related information. Then you'll select your delivery options, and then you'll come over to specifications, and you'll select your material type as well as thickness. So that we'll go with 5/8 maple. That's 5/8 thickness of the drawer sides. And then you get down to this table and you just start entering your different drawer sizes. So let's say we want one of 4¼ inch high, 22 wide and 18-inch deep. And then your bottom thickness, your notch and bore set up for undermount slides, your finish, and then any drawer options. These are these custom insert options, which you see on the left-hand side of the screen. If you have any questions, you can click on these cameras, take a look. It'll pop up and show you what the insert specifications are. And so let's say we want to add a cutlery insert to this drawer. We just add it right there. And then the rest, finish front, scoop, engrave logo. And then you can add notes as well if you want to put the specific drawer location. We'll add that to a label so that you can easily install these drawers. If you have any questions, you can click on these different question marks and it'll provide some more information. And then so you'll enter your whole job as you go down. And then if you want to add hardware as well, you just select the type that you want. Once again, if you have any questions, you can click on that little camera, select your locking type that you want to include, and we'll go ahead and assemble a hardware kit that matches your drawer order so that you don't have to go and kind of build a cart for yourself. And once you're done, hit submit, and that's it. Thank you.